Yes, good evening.
Happy evening, sir.
So the first question, the value of K.
Happy evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. Who is this?
Sir Pranav. Krishna Pranav, sir.
Good evening, Pranav. The value of K for which
Sir, in this question paper, two sums are wrong.
no problem.
So,
Actually, I'm not able to write with this. I'm not able to write on the screen. Actually, I don't know. Today, 20 of you have joined. 20 of you have joined today. Very good. So look at this now. The value of K for which this and this have unique solution. What is the condition for unique solution? This will be not equal to this, right? So what is A1 here? K. What is A2 here? 3. What is B1 here? -4. What is B2 here? 2. So K by -4 will not be equal to 3 by 2. Correct? Now tell me how many of you did this question?
Sir, I done it.
right answer.
Very good
Sir,
question.
will get
So
2K is equal to -12.
any non-zero value. So 0 is not possible, 1 is not possible, 2 is not possible. Option from the given option D only correct. Next.
So, but if it be any non-zero value, if it comes to be 6, then you'll have it equal, right?
Sorry?
Any non-zero value, it can be 6 also.
Any no, that is what I'm saying. Any non-zero value.
So, non-zero value means 6 by 3 equals to 4 by 2. Yeah. So, how can it be?
6 by K by 6 is equal, not equal to -4 by -2. Correct?
Yeah.
Then 6 by
So,
3.
it's
Ah,
plus 2, sir, not minus 2.
yes, +2. So which is not equal to -2. Correct? 3, 1, 3.
But sir, if it be -6, because k value is anything, any non-zero.
Yes, that is what meta. From the given option, other than 0, 1, 2, 3, it can be any other non-zero value. That is what the meaning of the options.
Sir, I'm saying if the value of k is -6
Okay.
by 3,
Minus.
then both are equal, right? So how can you give that answer?
If value of K is what? -6.
Minus k, 6.
Equal -4 by -4 by 2 is not equal, right? So -6 by 3 will be equal to -2. I'm saying that -2 will not be equal to -2. Yes, the actually, yeah, -6 is also a non-zero. -6, if you have -6, it will be satisfying. It is an invalid statement. If you write like this, it is wrong actually. -2 will be equal to -2. So yeah,
Why,
6,
sir?
that is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, 6 can
So
be possible.
that's not the answer, right?
Yeah, that shouldn't be the answer. Actually, 6 can be possible here. 6 can be possible. 6 also, I mean, -6 also possible here. K value can be -6. For this, It is not possible, beta. For that, the condition
So
what
the
we are
question
getting,
is only wrong.
then there should have been something changes in the signs actually. Yeah, correct only. It should have been non-zero positive value. What do you say?
Yeah, but sir, it's not specified, so I didn't click that.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Leave it. We will just assign this. Okay. Someone of you have joined today. Who is that? Let me go to the names. I think Harshil.
Sir,
Sir, Sai Charan.
Just a minute. Actually, someone of your friend is trying to join.
Sir, do we get any mark or something instead of that first question?
I'll give it. No, we don't give extra marks, but I'll remove that question. You want me to give marks?
Yes, sir, my mom is scolding me too much.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
1 second, guys. Yes, can you hear me now? Charan, who is Charan? Charan, tell me, Charan.
sir, me, sir, you're telling me.
Sorry?
Sir,
Okay.
about me, you're telling me.
Yeah, someone of you saying that like, no, I am new today. Who is that new student? He has not joined it. He might be joining. Okay, no problem. Okay, so the equation this,
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
1 second. Which doubt you have? What's
Sir,
the doubt?
not in this, sir. But in yesterday's test, some people have got 80 by 80, sir. And there are some wrong questions. How can they get 80 by 80?
Yeah, sir, I to find
Yes,
the
sir.
wrong.
The first one itself was wrong, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, sir. How can they get 80
Yeah,
by
sir.
80?
Guessing.
Yeah, actually, there are like there is a possibility of like choosing the correct answer. There, what happened is, let me tell you, there's a question. There is a question. Option A, option B, option C, option D. Okay. Here, actually, this option is also same. Option is also same. If you choose this option, my key is given as C. C option is right answer. But
Sir,
both.
that happened with me also.
1 second.
They
Wait, wait.
counted that as wrong.
1 second. Option C and option A both are correct actually, but answer key has been uploaded as C is the right answer. That's how you just gone wrongly. That's how they got correctly. That is the difference. Not more than that. Understood my point?
Okay, sir.
No problem. I'll just remove those questions. I'll just give maximum marks as per the number of questions which you have. For suppose you have your questions are 17 questions are correct. Then I'll be taking as 68 is your maximum marks. I'll give you a percentage accordingly. Let's say you are getting 50 out of 68 into 100. I'll be giving you that percentage. Okay. Don't worry. So that your percentage will not be getting affected. So Aaron Robertson. Aaron Robertson, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Welcome to the class. How are you? Can you please introduce yourself, Peter?
So, my name is Aaron Robertson, sir. I'm from 10 Auron High School, Dubai.
Sorry?
I'm from 10L Auron High School. Dubai, sir.
Okay, great. So actually we are discussing yesterday's question paper, Aaron. So please try to listen that. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. I mean, you can ask me. All right.
Okay, sir.
The first question given, I mean, the second question given here is x plus 2y is equal to 4, 2x plus y is equal to 5. So how can I solve this question? It's giving the consistent and unique solution. Let us check all the possible cases. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Okay. And for unique solution, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. For infinitely many solution, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So A1 by A2 is nothing but 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 1 is equal to 4 by 5. It cannot be no solution for sure. So it cannot be option. No, sorry, we don't have. A1 by 8 is not equal to B1 by B2. Yes, obviously. So it is a unique solution. And this is also not possible. Unique solution is the answer. Option A is correct. Any doubt? Very simple, guys. Directly you can find it out. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Not option.
So RS 50 is distributed among 150 children, giving 50 paisa to each boy and 50 paisa to each girl. Then the number of boys is what? How can we solve this question? Tell me. How many of you did this question?
So I did it.
Sure, I do.
Sir, I did.
50 rupees distributed to among 150 children. 50 paisa to each boy and 25 paisa to each girl.
50x plus 25
Sorry?
So first we have to convert the rupees into paise.
We will convert it. Very, very simple. Why? Because he's talking about paisa. That is why. So 50 into 50 rupees into how many?
5,000.
5,000 paisa. Correct. One second, guys. It is not opening from my side. Yeah. Yeah. Now it is okay. And 5,000 paisa I got. Correct. So 150 children giving 50 paisa, giving 150 paisa to each boy, and among 150 children, beta 150 paisa given to what? Each boy, 25 paisa to each girl. Number of boys. Okay. So beta, no, total 150 is the count, beta. I do not know the number of boys and number of girls. If I take boys as
So I
some,
took it as hit and trial method.
yeah. Number of boys is, if I take x, girls would be what? 150 minus x. Why? Because if I add boys plus girls, I should get 150. So if I add these two, I'll be getting 150. Correct? So 50 paisa given to whom? How many boys? 50 paisa means so 50 paisa to given x boys and 25 paisa to whom? 150 minus x. Total amount 50 rupees I get. So from this I'll get x value. From that y value you can find it out very easily. Isn't it, guys? Correct? This is how the basic method you can solve for, and you can solve in one more way as well. How many have you done in this method and how many have you done in another way?
I done it.
Yes. Sir, I don't want to go with this method. I just would like to go with another method. So very simple. The another method you can just solve here is very simple. Convert everything into paisa. This. Yeah. Yes, 3 people are raising hands. Who is that? Converting into paisa. So 50 paisa given to you. We are writing in rupees, so I'm writing in rupees here. So plus 25 paisa given to how many? 150 minus x is equal to 50 rupees. You will get the x value if you solve this. So, and look at this. Where is that about? How many of you converted into paisa and solved it? And how many of you solved by using trial and error method?
So I converted it into paisa.
Done myself.
So I done with converting into paisa.
Sir, I did with everything into paisa, sir.
Wow. So you can still do it. Look at his number of boys. I do not know. Boys X, girls Y. Okay. So then what he has given here? Total X plus Y how much? 150 people. This is also one thing. And 50 paisa is nothing but 0.5 rupees of X plus 0.25 of Y is equal to how much beta? 150. Can I write that as one equation? Correct. Not 150, it is 50 rupees. Am I correct? Now, yes. And you can still solve it like 2x plus y is equal to 200. Now, can I solve 1 and 2 here? Can I solve 1 and 2? Or else you do one thing. This is my first equation. 5 by 10x plus 25 by 100y is equal to 50. 5x, I mean, what is LCM at 100, right? 100 is LCM. So 50x plus 25y 5000. So 52x plus 1y is equal to 100. Am I correct? When 25 common, right? So 200. Guys, I'm taking 25 common Rababu here. 25 common x plus, 2x plus. Two x plus 1y is equal to 200. This is second equation. So what I'm doing here, first 2 minus 1. 2x minus 1x is what? 1x is equal to 50. X is equal to 50, then y is equal to what? 100. Number of is asking for boys. Boys is 50. Any doubt, guys? Guys, this is also right way of doing. Any doubts?
No,
No
sir.
doubt, sir.
Next question. Pair of linear equations. This and this are unique solution. Again, unique solution concept we got. Unique solution again, same concept, guys. You can make this question very easily. What is the value of k? K is not equal to 2 by 9. How many of you got this? Guys, if anything wrong from the question side, you tell me. Next, pair of linear equation, infinitely many solution. Again, same condition. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to Same condition. Okay, next, the number of solutions of the equation this where both x and y are positive integers and x greater than or equal to y. I mean less than or equal to y. How many of you solve this question, guys?
Sir, I have obtained this one, sir. Like, how do you solve this? I don't know.
Inequalities, actually you guys do not know inequalities, right?
Yes, sir.
Very simple question. Very simple question. Inequalities are very simple. Here basically what he has given here, 2x plus y is equal to 0, right? 2x plus y is equal to not 0, 40. Both are positive integers. Then and x less than or equal to y. So you can just hit, you can go with the trial and error method. Why? Because both are
So
positive.
we can start from 1 to like 40,
Both are
20.
Very
and
time
then you
consuming, right?
One
So-
second, 1 second. Since he has given both are positive integers, so what I do here is substitute as you told that x value 1 beta. If I take x value 1, what is my y value? 38.
So then, if I take infinite number also, I'll get infinite values.
1 second. So y value 38 and x must be lesser than y beta. X must be lesser than or equal to y. Now you take x value 2, you'll be getting 3. I mean, you'll be getting the y value. If you take x value 3, 4, 5, what you will be getting? Look at it. X value, I'll take 5. What is my y value? What is my y
So
value?
30.
I'll
30,
clarify
sir.
your doubt, Kavya. Your doubt will be clarified very soon. You listen what I'm saying. X value
Yes, sir.
5 means what is y value? 30. If
30,
x
sir.
value 10, what is y value?
20, sir.
20. So my case is satisfying as as I'm taking x value lesser than y here. Look at this. You can take both. What is the meaning of this beta? X less than y or equal to y. You can take less than or equal to. Here less than y. Here also less than y. Can I take x value 12? What is the y value? 24, 16. This scale also satisfying. Here x less than y. Here x less than y. Here x also x less than y. Condition is satisfying. X value 13. What is y value? 26. So y
12.
value is what? 14. All right.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Here also x less than y. Now if I take x value 14, what is y value? 12. But here x greater than y. So you can take till x is equal to 13 only. Understood, Kavya?
Yes, sir.
So my condition is getting satisfied for x value 13. Okay. So at x is equal to 13, he is asking or what? The number of solutions. Number of solutions you can take. How many solutions you can take? 13. 1 to 13 I can take. X value 1, 2, 3, dash till 13 I can take x values. So the number of solutions which I get is 13 solutions. Understood my point? Children, understood? Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Next. Let me clear the screen. Next. A person buys 18 local tickets for 110. 18 local tickets for 110. Each first class ticket booked for this much. Second class ticket booked for 3 rupees. What will be the another lot of 18 tickets in which the number of first class and second class tickets are interchanged cost? Total 18 tickets. For 110 rupees. In that, each first class ticket cost 10 rupees, second class 33 rupees. So better, I do not know how many tickets we have, how many tickets first class and how many tickets second. The number of tickets is talking about. Let number of first class tickets. Let us take X. Number of second class ticket. How much beta? Total 18 tickets, right? So 18 minus X, or isn't it? If I add these two, I will be getting 18 minus X beta. I mean 18. Total number of tickets. That is what your way of doing. This is what I got. Now as per this beta, if I take first class ticket plus second class ticket for 100, 110 rupees. So what is the answer is going to be now? Actually here do one thing. Here first class ticket how much beta? 10 tickets each.
10 rupees.
So 10 into x plus 3 rupees into 18 minus x second class is equal to 110 rupees. So 10x plus 54 minus 3x is equal to 110. So 7x is equal to 110 minus 54 how much? 56. X is equal to 8. If x is equal to 8, first class tickets I got here. What he is asking us to find? So first class tickets are 8. Second class tickets are how much now? 10, correct? Second 10 second class tickets are there. Then what he is asking us to find? What will be the another lot of 18 tickets? What will be the another lot of 18 tickets in which the number of first class and second class tickets are interchanged cost? Interchanged cost means what? Guys, how many second class tickets I got? 10. So 10 I'm interchanging 10 in first class tickets and 8 second class tickets. If I interchange, what I'm going to get beta? 8 interclass, I got 10 as my second beta. Actual second class ticket cost is 3 rupees. But what I do here is I'll be interchanging. So I'll be taking second class ticket, how much beta? 3 rupees, right? I'll be multiply it first. Okay. And first class ticket cost I'll multiply with second ticket. So into 10. So what you're going to get now? 10 into 10 plus 8 into 3. I interchanged it. Look at this here. Why he has given. Correct? Understood my point? 124 is your answer. 100 plus 24. Understood people how I did here? I'll explain again. You understood first class ticket, I got 8. Second class ticket, I got 10. He has given first class ticket cost is 10 rupees actually. If I take this 10 rupees for second class tickets, I'll get 100 rupees. He has given second class ticket is 3 rupees. If I take these 3 rupees for first class tickets, which is 3, which is 24. So 24 plus 100 is 124 is answer. Any doubts?
Sir, can you explain again?
Where you didn't understand, tell me.
That means how did you got that equation for second class ticket?
But how I got it?
Second, that implies 18 minus 6 equal to 10, that one.
How? 18 minus which one? 18 minus
X, sir.
this one?
Yes.
No, very simple, Rababu. Look at this here. I got x value, Rababu. I got x value. 18 minus how much? 10 only or not?
Yes, sir.
That is how I got. The 10 is what? Second class ticket. Number of second class tickets. All right. Understood now? 10 second class tickets I got, 8 first class tickets, but first class ticket cost is 10 rupees and second class ticket is 3 rupees. If I interchange beta, if I take this 10 rupees for second class and if I take 3 rupees for first class, then what is the total cost? That is what his question is. Understood my point now? If I interchange the ticket fare beta, the prices would be 124. Any doubts? Guys, any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Yes. So now Seventh question you got. Seventh question, any doubt? 124. In seventh question, what I did, I interchanged
sir.
the tickets fare. First class, I got 8 tickets. Second class, 10 tickets. If I interchange their fares, I'll be getting 120 rupees. 124 rupees. Next question. Rajesh walks to and fro to a shopping mall. He spends 30 minutes shopping. If he walks at a speed of 10 km per hour, he returns to home at 1900 by 7 o'clock. Correct? If he walks at 15 km per hour, he returns at 6:30 p.m. How fast must he walk in order to return at home at 6:50? Tell me the answer. It is a very simple question. Let me write here. So what he has given here? I do not know the distance, right? How far, how fast he has to walk. I do
And
not
sir,
know the,
even we don't know the timing, right, sir?
no problem. To and fro, distance I do not know. Let to and fro distance, I'm taking kuch bhi le lo, y. Okay. He spent 30 minutes. On shopping. If he walks at a 10 km per hour, speed gaya hai. Distance y, speed is 10. Okay. So now can I write? He spent 30 minutes, right? 30 minutes. Time given 30 minutes, beta. Okay. So distance is y, speed is 10 minus distance is y, speed is 15 km per hour is equal to 30 minutes he takes out of 60. Understood my point? Any doubts now? How I wrote this? This is time, beta. Time can be what? To and fro time. So it takes 10 minutes, 30 minutes for the shopping, walks to and fro. If he walks 10 km per hour, he returns home at this much. And if he walks at this speed, he returns at 6:30. In order to reach the home at 6:25, 6:15, how fast he has to walk? What should be the speed? Solve this now. 15
So
by
y by 10 is the speed, sir.
Hmm?
So y by 10 is the speed.
Distance is y. So what is distance is y? So what is distance by time?
Distance by time is speed.
That is what I'm talking about. So 15y minus 10y is equal to 150. Is equal to 30 by is nothing but 1 by 2. Can I write? So 30y.
How did you got 30 by 60?
He has given 30 minutes, right? Where is that? Dekho beta, why I got that? I'll tell you. He has given 15 km per hour. I am writing in terms of hours here. This is also I'm writing in terms of hour, right? 1 hour 60 minutes. He has given 30 minutes. So 30 by 60 hours, right? You understand my point? Hello? What he has given, beta? He has given 15 km per hour. I'm writing this is in terms of hours. He has given this in terms of minutes. I'm converting in terms of hour. How? By dividing with 60. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 30y minus 10 is equal to 150. So 10y is equal to 150. Y value is 15. Correct? Y value is 15. Now let us find out time. I do not know time. As you asked, Hania, time is what? Time taken to travel 15 km per hour is what? 15 by 10, which is nothing but 3 by 2 hour, which is nothing but 1.5 hour he took. 1.5 hour he took. Understood my point? Now let us do time taken to cover, sorry, time taken to travel 15 kilometers. Isn't it? Time taken to travel 15 kilometers. All right. Y value. This distance I got right, beta. This is distance. How much time he has taken to travel that 15 kilometers? 1.5 hours. All right. Distance by speed. Where is that? Okay, this ds. I just found what distance. What distance here now? Yes. Distance 15. Okay. I'm just finding time. Time is what? Distance by this. Distance is what, beta? 15 by speed how much? 10. So time I got 1.5 like that. Okay. Now time. Now what he has given again? So how much time he has spent at that shopping mall? 30 minutes. So common sense here, very logical question. 30 minutes he has spent where? At the shopping mall. And time taken to travel that 15 kilometers, how much? 1.5. Total time how much now? 2 hours. Correct? How much? Understood my point? To travel the distance, he took 1.5 hour, beta. Okay. And 30 minutes he
spent in the
spent
mall,
again.
so it will be 2 hours.
2 hours.
Total time.
So total time 2 hours. Correct? Then can I say now that what is his name? Rajesh. That Rajesh started for the mall 2 hours before 7 o'clock, which means 5 o'clock he might have started. Am I correct? He returns home at what? 7 o'clock. But he is investing total time 2 hours at shop and traveling everything 2 hours. So that at what time he might have started at what time he might have started at 5 o'clock? Am I sure? Am I correct? Sorry, not 5 hours. 5 o'clock. 5 p.m. he might have started. How 5 p.m.? Are Babu, he is reaching at 7 p.m. Babu, plus 2 hours it investing at
Yes.
traveling and shopping.
Spend time
Traveling
in the shopping
1.5,
mall.
half an hour plus, half an hour for shopping and traveling 1.5 hours. So total 2 hours. 7 plus 2, 5 hours. 7 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 hours. So 7 p.m. is returning to the home. Now he is asking that, what he is asking, how fast must he walk in order to return home at 6:50? To reach home at 6:15 p.m. minus 5 p.m. minus 30 minutes. How much gives me this one? 45 minutes
45 minutes.
minus 30 minutes. Total 15 minutes. Which means 15 minutes means 3 by 4th hour. So
So
what
it's
is
1 hour 15 minutes, sir. After minusing 30 minutes, it's 45.
no, see, 1 hour 15 minutes minus 30 minutes.
So it's 45.
Yeah. Acha, you're saying, oh, I wrote wrongly then. 1 hour 15 minutes here.
You subtracted the whole thing and wrote out.
So 1 hour 15 minutes means how much, beta? 75 minutes. Am I correct?
75 minutes, sir.
So here you will get 75 minutes. 1 second. 75 minutes minus 30 minutes. Total 45 minutes, which you will be writing 3 by 4 hour. Correct? What he is asking? How fast must he walk? How fast must? What is the speed he is asking? What is the speed formula? Distance.
Distance by
The
time.
distance by time.
What is the distance, beta? 50. What is the time, beta?
The time is 3 by 4.
What is time?
50 into 4 by 3 will come.
4 by 3, sir.
4 by
Into
3, sir.
4 by
4 by 3. So 3 1 3 5. 20 is the answer. Option D is correct. Guys, very good question actually. So first of all, he has
So
not.
how you got 16.15 minus 5?
But look at this here. What we need to find out here, first of all, for
The
finding.
speed Rajesh needs to walk to reach home at 8:50.
Yeah, for getting for what is my required time for to and fro journey, going and coming journey, required time. Understood my point? Required time for to and fro
To and fro.
journey. So here 6:15. What is 6:15 there? What is 6:15 there? He has asked us to
Yes, sir.
find what speed must he walk. At what speed must he walk to reach home at 6:15? So 6:15 minus 5. Why 5? Because he started at 5. Whole minus 30 minutes. Why 30 minutes? Why? Because he invested 30 minutes at shopping mall.
Mall.
That
Yes.
is why you are getting 45 minutes at last, which will be 3 by 4th hour. So speed is what now? 15. Then time is what? Time is what, beta? 3 by 4. It will be reciprocal as 4 by 3, so that you will be getting 20.
Okay.
Very simple. Any doubts about
I
it?
have a doubt.
Hmm.
Sir, how did you estimate that it is 2 hours?
How I estimated that it is 2 hours? Very simple, Rababu. Look at this here. 1.5 hours. We got 1.5 hours. What is this? To travel that 15 kilometers. The actual time in which he has taken. And he has invested 30 minutes at shopping, right?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
So that 1.5 hours plus 30 minutes, total 2 hours for traveling and for
Speed 15 by
spending
10
time
by
at shopping.
amma.
So total 2 hours. Total 2
Time
hours.
kada achu.
Hello. Wait, who is talking in between? Mute yourself. 1.5 hours plus
Sorry,
that
sir.
30 minutes.
Sorry, sir.
1.5 hours plus that 30 minutes gives me 2 hours. Total time he is spending is 2 hours. For where? To going and timing, spending the time at shop. 2 hours, which means he's returning home at 7 o'clock. Then 2 hours is going and spending the time, everything 2 hours. Then he might have started at 5 p.m. or not, for sure.
Yes, sir.
Definitely he should have started at 5 o'clock. Why? Because 2 hours is spending for traveling, at the same time for shopping. So 5 plus 2, 7 hours. I mean 7 o'clock, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That is how you got 2 hours there. Guys, very interesting questions you have. Guys, you tell me what are which questions are wrong actually. So let me modify the results.
Sir, they're shuffled, so we have with them
Yes,
as
tell me.
other numbers.
Yeah. Tell me the question name. I mean, which question is that?
So there's a question xy plus xy
one?
squared
Which
plus
one?
xy squared. I don't know the question number.
This
Yeah,
one?
this 10th one.
Okay, this
So
is
how can it be an equation? Because if you add them, like you can add them, so it's 2xy square equals to 2xy.
One second. I'll tell you better. Very simple question. Xy square he has given plus xy square given. Am I correct? So 2xy beta. So
Yes,
two times of xy square. Do you agree with my point? 2xy. So xy, 1xy, 2 will get cancelled. What you will have to use y is equal to 0. Why can't it be linear now? Absolutely, it is a linear. Understood my point? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Ania ji, understood?
Sir, isn't y equal to 1?
Yeah, y equals to
Yes, sir.
1.
Y
sir.
equal to 1.
Y is equal to 1. The condition for the given equation is y should not be equal to 0. If xy becomes 0, what happens? 0 is equal to 0. That doesn't make a sense. So As per the given question, if I solve this, xy square 1xy square, so 2 times of xy square is equal to 2 times of xy. So what I did here, 2 times I cancelled, 1x I cancelled, y square I cancelled. What I left with, y is equal to 0. So that is an
Wait, sir, a small doubt, sir.
Y is equal to 1,
One,
sir.
The
it's
one,
equals
sir.
to
It's
1.
one, sir.
huh?
When you
It's
divide
one,
any
sir,
yes,
because
I got
precise
it.
we're
number,
dividing.
it's 1, not 0.
2xy square 2xy.
Yes, sir. 2
Yeah,
cancel
yeah,
x, x,
1
y,
1
y.
1 1 1 1. Yeah.
Yes, sir. 1.
Y should be 1 beta. Y should be 1 means y minus 1 is equal to 0. Linear equation. Option A is correct still. Correct? I'm not subtracting to
Yes,
write
sir.
0 there. I'm dividing. So 1 should be the right answer. I'm sorry. So next.
There's some questions have same solution. There are same options for a question.
Yes, the many
Wait,
questions like what same solutions.
Which question is that? Tell me.
Sir.
So could you go down?
Yes, sir, this one. 14th.
So this one, 14th one.
14th one.
Option A and B are same.
Option A and B are not same actually. They are different. Beta, here open bracket, close bracket. These two
Sir,
are different.
AB are same, CD are
No. Wait, I'll tell you.
Oh.
C and D
So
both
the
are same.
city are also
okay,
same.
but CD are same, right?
CD are same actually. C and D are same, but not A and B. Okay. Let us talk about that. I'll tell you a simplest method. So x by 5 minus, what is the LCM here? 15x minus 2 minus 10, right? Minus 20x minus 12 by 20, correct? X by 5 when x less than plus 12, correct? So minus 5x plus 2 by 20. Am I correct, beta? So what I do here is I can cancel 5 1s, 5 4s. X minus 1 by 2, correct? So can I subtract x on both sides? Can I subtract x on both sides?
Sir, sir, the step before is correct. The one you cancelled after that, you have to take 4x, like 4 into x on the other side. You take it.
Sorry, I didn't
Sir?
get you. Tell me.
Sir, you cross multiply 4 into x.
I didn't cross multiply 4 into x. Where you are saying?
Yeah, so you can do it. I mean to say that would make it easier. You can take minus 5x on the other side, and you get 9x. And
This one.
plus 2. The above one.
The above one, this one.
Yeah. You can take 4 on the other side, multiply it, 4x.
No. Basically, rules of inequality will not allow you to do that. Basically, you can just still, you may do that, but actual rule is what? That is, if it is equation, you can do that beta. Inequality, what happens is you have to go with the proper thing only. So here becomes what? Left side 0, less than minus 5x by 4. Minus, add these two, what you are going to get now? Minus 9x by 4, right? Plus 1 by 2, correct? So shifting all this to the right hand side, left hand side. So my plus 9x by 4 minus 1 by 2. Am I correct? Or else you do one thing. Let us take minus common here. Minus common, 9x by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 greater than 0, right? So when I multiply with minus on both sides, inequality changes. big less than 0. Am I correct? Am I correct? So now here you can do a simple thing. I'll tell you a simple story here. Look at this. What is LCM now? 9x minus 8. Sorry, minus 2. Correct? 9x minus 2 by 4 less than 0. So can I divide with 4 on both sides? To get rid of the denominator 4, I can divide with 4 on both sides. So 4 will get cancelled. 9x minus 2 less than 0. So 9x minus 2 less than 0, right? What is my critical points beta now? What are my critical points? My critical points are, critical point is nothing but finding the value of 0. I mean finding the 0 of the given, the term which we have. How can I find out 0 of that? By equating with 0. X value is what? 2 by 9. So 2 by 9 I'll be plotting here. So minus infinite to plus infinite, 2 by 9. So I'll tell you a WeXL method beta. This is less than 0, right? So whenever you have less than 0, you have to assign the sign from right to left, alternate sign, plus minus plus minus. I need lesser than 0 here. Less than 0 means I need this region. What is my solution now? X belongs to 2 by 9, open bracket. Other both are correct actually. Both are correct. I think it should have been something like this. Then option D should have been something like this. Then option C would have been correct. Okay, but those who have written C and D, I'll give them.
The question 15 also, I attempted it as D and then I got it
No
wrong.
problem, no problem, no problem. What I do here is, okay, these inequalities are somewhat difficult. I mean, difficult means easy only. If I teach you, I'll teach you in the next class. Do not worry. So 14th question I'll remove, 15th question I'll remove. Which question? The first question I'll remove, and 3 questions. What else? Apart from these 3?
Sir, we have such type few more questions, sir.
Okay, 1 second. 1, 2, how many? 1, 14, 15, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think you can solve these questions. 15th, 19th one, 20th one, you can solve it. 1 second. 1, 2.
Sir,
1 second, beta. 1,
So sir,
2.
out of the 5 questions.
Wait. Guys, I'm counting. Please wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 8 questions I have to remove then. Am I correct?
Yes.
Out of 12 I have to go. 12 4 48. So 48 would be your maximum marks. I'll give the marks accordingly. So tell me guys, how many of you done all remaining questions correct except this first question and the inequality questions? Leave inequality
Sir, I
questions.
done it. Sir, I done
Sir, I
remaining
did it.
correct.
Okay, those who have done all remaining questions correct, those 12 questions, you just put a message to me. I'll just modify your results.
Sir, in
Everyone
this
will.
chat, sir.
Not here. You message me
What?
personally. Those who are
Okay.
not messaging me personally, they will be losing their marks. As simple as that. Why? Because I do not know who will be who has solved and who has not solved. So I'll be
so I did 2 questions wrong other than that.
okay, no problem. Just 10 questions you got correct, beta. Just tell me, look at it. Number of questions correct. Number of questions. Listen to me. The number of questions you got correct from the topic called linear equations in 2 variables, except those inequality questions and first question. So total 8 questions I removed. Out of 12 questions, how many you got correct? Number of questions you got correct. Just number of questions correct. No need of any other information. Sir, number of questions correct is equal to 8, 10, something like that. Message me like that. Need not to message me anything.
Sir, I sent you.
Yes, it creates unnecessary confusion. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. With your name, please.
So in linear inequations also
With
my
your name, please.
answers
Your
went
name,
correct.
please.
So
Sorry?
for linear
Sir, out of
equations
10,
also I had correct answers. So.
Okay. No problem, beta. No problem. Then I'll give the marks for you separately, beta. Hania,
Sir, out of 12 questions, right, sir? 12 or 10?
out of 12.
Okay, sir. 12.
Hania, you got 10 correct?
Yeah, out of 12.
10 means your percentage would be what, beta? 10 by 12. Your percentage would be 83.3. I'll change it, beta. Don't worry.
Sir, for 11, sir. And question.
No problem. You put your name and the number of questions you got correct. Message me. WhatsApp. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Bye.